Hi students, hope you all are enjoying learning part in the Asia's largest educational institution, the Narayana Group's N-Rank Guru app. In today's class, we are going to see the assignment 3 of Unit 2A, C.V. Raman, the pride of the nation. So here there are some questions based on the reading comprehension which they have given. Okay, here the first question. What was Raman's advice to the young scientist? So here Sir C.V. Raman, he advised the young scientist to look at the world and they should not confine to their laboratories. They should have independent thinking. So these are the advices which was given by C.V. Raman. So what is the essence of science? Independent thinking. Here you need to concentrate on some of the qualities. They should look at the world. They should think independently, and they should not confine to the laboratories in order to become a very good scientist. And let's see the second question. What was the unseen force working behind Raman for reaching great heights? So great heights means the ultimate success in anyone's life. So here what are the reasons? What is the force which worked in C.V. Raman's success there? So here when you talk about this particular answer, you can go like this one. So first thing is, C.V. Raman is very much interested in science, first thing, and his independent thinking. He always used to think independent and hardworking nature. Three qualities you need to put together. One thing, interest in science, hardworking nature, independent thinking. So all three things together that made C.V. Raman to reach the greatest heights in his life, being a physics scientist. Next, third question. If you were a scientist, what would you like to invent? So here it's a very simple question. So being an IIT student, you may have a lot of innovative ideas in your mind. So here I'm giving an example. For example, if I were a scientist, I would like to invent a car which runs with the solar energy but not with diesel and petrol. Okay, you can give your own answer there. And let's move on to the fourth question. In his youth, what was Raman mainly interested in? What did he study then? So here, when C.V. Raman was young, so especially when he was in youth, he was very much interested in acoustics, the science of sound. So there he studied and he experimented many more things, how these string instruments like violin, guitar, they produce harmonious music there. Okay, you need to concentrate on two things. In his youth, Raman was very much interested in acoustics, the science of sound, and he performed a lot of experiments based on how stringed instruments like violin, guitar produce harmonious music. Next one, fifth. In what way was Raman different from other scientists? List them and justify your answer. Yes, we need to feel proud to have such a great scientist from our country. So because here there is a main difference from other scientists to C.V. Raman there. The thing is that C.V. Raman is the one and only one person who was born in India, who brought up in India, who studied in India, and who got the Nobel Prize in physics from India there. So he's the one and only one man who did everything from his motherland. And also he is the first non-white person and the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize in physics there. And one more thing is that he is the youngest member. At the age of 19, he became a member of Indian Association for Cultivation of Sciences. So you can write your answer like this. So it's all about the reading comprehension based question answers. Each one carries 1 mark there. So 5 ones are 5. And let's see the other part of assignment. So next part you're going to have, based on section B, grammar and the vocabulary. There you are going to concentrate much on meanings and opposites as well. So here we came to a section called grammar and the vocabulary. Grammar and vocabulary. So here first they have given some sort of questions which are based on the words in the comprehension. So here first one is confined. So what is the meaning of confined? So already C.V. Raman advised the young scientists not to confine to the laboratory. Confine means what? To restrict. Next, seventh one, like harmonious. Harmonious. Harmonious means what? Very pleasant when played together. For example, the stringed instruments, they produce harmonious music. So here you can go with the meaning, very pleasant when played together. When played together. Next, eighth one, flagged. Flagged means decline or become less. Decline or become less. So when you talk about the interest and all. Then ninth one, modification. Modification. So it means to change. Change. Okay, so it's all about the meanings which we have based on the reading comprehension. Next, let's see the part which is based on the opposites. So these opposite words are based on the prefix based opposites. So first one they have given is honor. So simply you have to add one prefix for this particular word. So that is dishonor. And 11th one is they have given dependent. So it's also comes to the same category there, dependence, and the opposite is independent. Okay, it's all about that opposite words, and let's move on to the editing part as well. So in editing part they have given only two sentences from the same textual. So first one is, it is based on the article. So 12th one, he was the first Asian and the first non-white to win such great award in science. Okay, here one thing is missing. Before the adjective there, article is missing. So here you need to go with an article. A great award in science. And 13th one and last one, here they have written passes because it's a third person singular, but here the complete thing is there in past tense. So here this is wrong there. Instead of this one you need to go with passed. Passed away. That means passed away means what? Died. So this is one of the idiomatic expression there. Passed away. He passed away in 1970 on November 21. So it's all about assignment 3 people. When you are doing these kind of assignments, please read the comprehension carefully. So everything is based on that only. Okay. So keep learning with the Narayana Groups and learning N-Rank Guru app, and keep updating with this app for more information and for more learning. Thank you all.